In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a status in ClickUp. When managing your tasks effectively, sometimes you need to remove unnecessary statuses to keep everything streamlined. I'm here to guide you through this process with ease, so you can maintain a well-organized workspace in ClickUp. To get started, you'll need to head over to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Navigating through the login process will provide you with access to your personalized workspace where all your projects are housed. If you're new to ClickUp, it might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it in no time. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various options on your dashboard. Next, hover over the workspace where you'd like to make changes. It's important to select the right workspace because this setting change is specific to the task statuses within that individual workspace, and the process won't affect other workspaces you might have. Now that you've selected the workspace of your choice, look for the space settings. This may appear as 3 dots, often referred to as an options menu. Clicking here reveals a drop-down menu, and you'll want to look specifically for the task statuses section. This is where all of your task statuses are managed, giving you control over their arrangement and functionality. Once you've navigated to task statuses, identify the specific status you'd like to remove. With your status in mind, click on the 3 dots next to it. This action brings up a set of options directly associated with that status, allowing you to manage it effectively. Here, you have the opportunity not only to delete a status, but also to add or edit it if necessary. However, since we're focusing on deletion today, go ahead and click Delete Status. You might feel a slight hesitation before removing a status, especially if it has been part of your workflow, but remember, this change is all about making your task management more efficient. Once you've confirmed the status you wish to delete, the next step is to apply these changes. Simply click Apply Changes. This step ensures any adjustments you've made are finalized within the workspace. Finally, wrap up the process by clicking Save Changes. This step secures all the modifications you've made, officially deleting the status from your workspace. Reassess your task lists and appreciate the cleaner, more streamlined view. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a status in ClickUp, optimizing your workflow for better performance and clarity. Remember, keeping your workspace organized is key to managing projects effectively. Thanks for watching, and keep tuning in for more ClickUp tips and tricks.